Good. I'm done. So let's do the face. There is only one day. With power to save. Power to save.
Good day, my lovely friends. I know I have not introduced myself, and I'm taking this moment to say good day to each and every one of you. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I am out and about. The kids are at school, so I came to this store called Target because I have shares with Target. I own it. As a parent, this is a store that you will frequently visit. What kind of drink is this? Oh, I came to pick up an order that I had placed online, and it's on my hands now. So let's go home and see what we can do for the day. Thank you to my newest subscribers. Welcome to the family. This family, it loves God because He is the anchor. He is the center of each and every one of us. So feel loved whenever you are. And to all my returning subscribers, I still continue to say I love you and thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for seeing my growth because it's your growth as well. Years back, you will look back and say, wow, look how far she has come. I have been part of her growth. This is my slogan, and it's a slogan of even lifting God as well. I'm not just here documenting my life. I want us to grow even spiritually. I want us to be empowered. It's my desire. When you look back, you'll be like, yes, I have grown with her because I too, I am growing spiritually, growing mentally, growing in ways of living, growing to be a better sister, growing to be a better companion, growing to be a better daughter, growing to be a better parent, growing to be a better friend. I am continuously embracing this growth because without them, I can never be the version that God wants for each and every one of us. So that is my earnest desire that when you look back years back, you'll be like, yes, I have grown with her. I feel calm. I hope you can feel that. I don't know. If you see a place of improvement, let me know because we are still new here and every day we are growing. That is the good mentality that I have. I'm not what I was yesterday. I may not have confidence yesterday, but today is today. It's not yesterday. That is the greatest difference of it. We look forward in seeing the greater things of the beauty that God has ordained for each and every one of us. So, yes, when you have kids, there are things that will kind of like slip away from your eyes. Like, yes, they will slip away from your eyes. And because I have been seeing things that need to be fixed, I think that's what we need to do right now. And hopefully we have accomplished day and then see what we can do later. I'm also thinking, what do I need to do later? Because I did not plan myself well today. I mean, I had a few appointments that I had and two people canceled. So I'm like, okay, the slot that was there for them, I'm like, okay, what do I need to fill these slots with? That's where I'm like looking on what to do. But I know for sure I had planned to do decluttering. So let's do that right now. I'm done decluttering right now. Oh my gosh, you guys, I will show you the amount of papers that I got. But now, because it's almost end of the school day, I want to cook dinner for the kids because when they come back home, they're always hungry. So today we're cooking ugali and spinach. And in my ugali, I always put salt or black pepper. But I did not put black pepper today. I just put salt. This enhances the taste. Majority of my people, they don't add anything when they're cooking ugali. They just want a plate. I mean, I don't know if they know it, but I have divorced from a plain ugali. I want something that is tasteful. That's why I add salt or black pepper just to have flavor and it tastes good. So I'm just prepping some ingredients for the spinach, and today I just want to add the yellow pepper or the sweet pepper because why not? It will make the food flavorful, and we all love greens a whole lot. But I noticed lately my children do not want to eat ugali. I'm not sure why. It used to be a favorite for them, but oh well, we're gonna work with it today because I don't have time to cook that much of what they like. And of course, we can't just eat what we like every day. We have to have something, food balance, right? That's what we call it. And because time is on a crunch right now, ugali and some spinach is just a simple meal. It don't take too long to cook. At the same time, I'm thinking of like, wow, what a day it has been. I came out from a disorganized um, space because, of course, I mentioned that I had two appointments and they canceled. So I was like, what do I need to do? And I ended up decluttering, and that gave me an other awesome piece, and it gives me an extra energy. I feel good actually. Like, just you see, this food is looking good. What do you think? Would you eat a meal from me? I am a chef. Let me tell you, I am a good chef. You will not refuse to eat food from me that I cook. And this spinach, oh my goodness. Can you feel or can you smell the flavor of them? This is what we have. This is the best ugali and spinach. We don't have meat. Like majority of people will be like, "What is meat? That's all you're having?" Yes, that is all we are having. I don't like meat that much, and so are my children.